Welcome to Dr. Edwards Smile Design Center. Ever since Dr. Edwards graduated from the United States Merchant Marine Academy and Temple University School of Dentistry, Dr. Edwards has been dedicated to the highest standard of care. Dr. Edwards has an insatiable quest to learn more and has always pursued continuing education in such fields as orthodontics, implants, and cosmetic dentistry. Combining this with his passion to make each patient's experience the best they have ever had, he has incorporated laser dentistry, digital x-rays, aromatherapy, paraffin hand dips, a coffee bar, and great music into your dental experience.
You know, my job as a dentist is really to do the very best that I know how. And I'm always keeping an eye out on technology because there's so many choices out there, and looking to make choices that are enabling me to do better treatment on my patients, which, you know, things like working through the surgical microscope is a good example.
With the microscope, we're able to see with such clear illumination and definition, and we can determine on a tooth such as this one here, is that little black hole decay or not? And we have the ability to change magnification and get in even closer, where we can clearly see that this tooth might have a small cavity in it, and it's had some kind of a sealant placed in here previously. So we're going to use the DiagnoDent now, which is a laser cavity detector, and shine a laser into these grooves and determine, does this tooth actually need to have a restoration?
I was the first to experience our new one-visit crowns, which is called CIRIC. It's a CAD-based program that the patient is able to have their crown prepared and milled right here with the machine. It's a milling machine that takes the crown and makes it out of a solid block of porcelain in one visit. In terms of cost, it's about the same as a regular crown. The technology is an investment to the practice. Dr. Edwards has chosen not to charge more to offer this technology to his patients because he's really up on offering the best of technology, and he considers it an investment in his practice and in his patients.
Technology enables me to do things better and sometimes even faster. So we do not pass that cost on to the consumer, and we realize how important it is to try and keep dentistry reasonable in cost. And for those patients, you know, as many are these days that are struggling financially, there are some financing options, and sometimes the best thing is actually to come in and get started, because as Benjamin Franklin said, a stitch in time saves 9, and sometimes treatment can be phased, and we can get started and take care of preventing a minor problem from becoming a major problem, which then becomes much more expensive. So there's really nothing like prevention as the best medicine. And in dentistry, that involves coming in and having a good examination, and certainly prevention at home, and seeing the dental hygienist and making sure that the environment is correct for health to be achieved in the mouth is really important. My end goal for patients is to achieve their hopes and dreams. But I guess when you really get down to it, it's really about health. I would like to have a patient who, after we've gone through treatment, comes in on a recall visit and is doing the very best to take care of themselves, and has a checkup where it's basically, you're doing a fantastic job and we'll see you in 6 months. And if I can get patients to be able to take the responsibility and control of their own oral health, then I think that I've really done my job.
If you would like to schedule or contact us personally, please call us at 321-751-7775 or send us an email at smiles@smiledesigncenter.us.